Divines. Welcome to My Talk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel, and I'm so grateful for you to be here. And I wanted to share with you a recipe today. I was in a mood to make something that is very citrusy and very good for, just keeping the immune system going. And I decided to use some oranges. Yes. I love the orange, period, and I love everything about the orange, especially the skin, because as we all know, that's where the oil is. And there are really cool, simple recipes where you can, take the orange peel, and I will definitely leave that at the end of the video. And for example, a simple recipe that you can do to make a nourishing oil for yourself is you can take the peel, not the pith, but you can take the peel where the oil is, and you can soak that in some oil, like a carrier oil, like jojoba or coconut. And you can use some drops of an essential oil, like orange essential oil, and that can be a nourishing oil for you, and and I have a whole bunch of orange skin sitting here, and it smells so good. Oh my goodness. And basically, this recipe, you can just infuse it, like overnight for like 24 hours. And you don't want to put it in the refrigerator because that would, affect the enzyme process. But I remember reading that in one of my books as a nourishing oil. I don't necessarily make that for myself right now, but I just remember that in one of my natural beauty books. And but what I did do is that I did decide to make a coconut oil and orange essential oil recipe. I put a little rose drops in it with a couple of drops of essential oil, orange essential oil I warmed some, like 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And I decided to make that in the video, so you can check it out right now. And in this part of the video, I'm just basically taking 2 tablespoons of coconut oil because I'm going to use that as a shampoo base to cleanse and even condition my hair. And I just wanted to share it with you guys since I'm using orange essential oil with it. And I'm just going to melt the coconut oil in some hot water until it melts like this. And then I'm going to leave it in my hair for about at least 5 minutes. And when you leave it in for about 5 minutes or more, it will definitely cleanse and condition your hair. And you're going to add 3 drops of essential oil, orange essential oil, and 1 drop of rose oil. I probably use 2 drops. Okay, so now we are going to make the orange juice, and with the little bit of, I'm going to use oranges with lemon and some ginger and a little bit of turmeric. So let's get started. Yay, let's do this. the face you make when you love oranges. And so now we are finished juicing, and I have the juice right here, and I put some turmeric in here. I did not have raw turmeric with me, so I just used some powdered turmeric, and I probably used about 3 to 4 oranges and like a half a lemon and a small piece of ginger, maybe like 1.5 inches of ginger. Yeah, you can even put, you know, your favorite green powder in here as well to just fortify it even more. And so I'm going to pour it in a glass now. And okay, it filled it up. I didn't know it was going to fill it up like that. Okay. And so we have about 12 ounces of juice right here. And I just love how it goes with my shirt. Hey. And yeah, so this is a very immune boosting drink. And again, I will leave the recipe at the end of the video. And as always, be at peace and be true to yourself and be well. I love you, my sweet Divines. Oh my god, this tastes so good. I could have actually put even more ginger in it. You know, and I love ginger because it has, you know, antioxidants and it's anti-inflammatory. Yeah, so, oh my goodness, I have to have some more. It's so sweet. Peace, Divine.